Think about typical jobs. You solve small problems every day. You answer phones, file papers, or stock shelves. These are routine tasks. These tasks need to be done to keep the business running smoothly, but they don't create massive value. So what happens when you only focus on these small tasks? You get paid a little. Your paycheck reflects the small problems you solve. Your income is limited by the number of hours you work. The more hours you put in, the more exhausted you become. This is the trap most people fall into, trading time for money, feeling stuck in a cycle of mediocrity. It's a recipe for mediocrity, not wealth. But there's a better way to approach work and life, a way to break free from the time for money trap. It involves shifting your mindset. It starts with understanding a simple concept: value creation. The more value you create, the more you can earn. The more value you create, the more you earn. It's about solving bigger problems that impact more people. Stop settling for small problems. They keep you in the same place. Think bigger. Think impact. Think wealth. Aim to solve problems that matter and watch your rewards grow exponentially. Now imagine solving a big problem, something that affects thousands, even millions of people. Think curing diseases, revolutionizing transportation, or connecting people in new ways. Solving big problems is hard. It takes guts, creativity, and relentless effort. But the rewards? They're astronomical. Think about the billionaires of our time. They didn't get there by working 9-to-5 jobs. They solved massive problems. They created products and services that changed the world. You might be thinking, but I'm not an Elon Musk. That's okay. You don't have to be. You just need to find your own big problem to solve. Here's the key. Value equals impact multiplied by scale. Impact. How much does your solution improve people's lives? The bigger the improvement, the more value you create. Scale. How many people benefit from your solution? The more people you reach, the greater the value. Think about it. A doctor treating individual patients has a high impact but limited scale. A pharmaceutical company developing life-saving drugs has both high impact and massive scale. Your goal? Find a problem where you can create significant impact and reach a large audience. This is the formula for wealth. Section 4. Shift your mindset. Shift your income. Most people trade time for money. They follow a traditional path, working a set number of hours each week. They work for a fixed number of hours and receive a fixed paycheck. This routine becomes a cycle that many find hard to break. This is linear thinking, and it limits your earning potential. You can only earn as much as the hours you put in. To build real wealth, you need to shift to an exponential mindset. This means thinking beyond the immediate and looking at long-term value creation. Focus on creating value, not just trading time. When you focus on value, you start to see opportunities that weren't visible before. When you create value, your income is no longer tied to the number of hours you work. Instead, it becomes tied to the impact and significance of the value you provide. It's tied to the value you deliver. The more value you create, the more your income can grow exponentially. This is how entrepreneurs, investors, and innovators build fortunes. They understand that value creation is the key to unlocking unlimited earning potential. They create something valuable once and get paid for it again and again. This is the power of shifting your mindset from linear to exponential thinking. Section 5. Unleash your inner problem solver. Everyone has unique skills and experiences. What problems are you uniquely equipped to solve? What injustices make you angry? What frustrates you? Your passions are clues to your potential. Turn your frustrations into fuel. Identify problems that resonate with you. These are the problems you'll be most motivated to solve. Don't be afraid to think big. The world needs more problem solvers, more innovators, more value creators. You could be one of them. Section 6. From employee to entrepreneur. Becoming wealthy often requires a significant shift from being an employee to becoming an entrepreneur. This transition is not just about changing your job title, it's about changing your mindset and approach to work. It means taking calculated risks, embracing the inherent uncertainty of the entrepreneurial journey, and dedicating yourself to building something that is truly your own. This doesn't mean you have to quit your job tomorrow. Start small. Begin by identifying a passion or a problem you want to solve. Develop your ideas in your spare time. Use evenings and weekends to research, plan, and create. Test your solutions on a small scale. Create prototypes, gather feedback, and refine your ideas. Learn and iterate as you go. Each step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. The internet has made it easier than ever to start a business. With a wealth of information and resources at your fingertips, you can learn new skills, connect with mentors, and find tools to help you succeed. You can reach a global audience from your laptop. The digital age has broken down barriers, allowing you to market your products or services to people all over the world. The tools and resources are readily available. From online courses to business software, everything you need is just a click away. The biggest obstacle? Your own fear. Don't let fear hold you back from your potential. Embrace the journey, stay persistent, and believe in your ability to create something extraordinary. Section 7. Design your rich life. Remember, true wealth isn't just about money. It's about freedom, impact, and designing a life you love. It's about spending your time doing what you're passionate about. Solving big problems can lead to financial freedom, but more importantly, it gives you the resources and the platform to make a real difference in the world. So, what are you waiting for? Start solving problems, create value, build your dream life. The world is waiting for your contribution.